Hello students, let's continue with lesson 7 Asia. We have already discussed some of the major physical divisions like the northern lowlands and the central highlands. Today we will start with the plateaus of the south. Some old and hard rock plateaus lie in the southern part of Asia. The four plateaus which form the physiographic division south of central mountain belt are the plateau of Shan and Yunnan, the Deccan Plateau and the plateau of Arabia. Let's discuss the first one, that is the Shan Plateau. The Shan Plateau, also known as the Shan Highland, is a vast mountainous zone that lie in the eastern part of Myanmar. It extends through Yunnan to Myanmar and Thailand. The whole region is made up of numerous mountain ranges separated mostly by narrow valleys as well as few broader intermontane basins. The ranges in the area are aligned in such a way that they link to the foothills of the Himalayas further to the northwest. The river Salween cuts through this plateau. Second is the Yunnan Plateau. This plateau is in the Yunnan state of China and lies to the southeast of Tibetan Plateau. This plateau is dissected by major rivers, namely the Mekong, the Salween and the Sikiang. Next one is the Deccan Plateau. It is a large plateau in the western and southern India. It rises to 100 meter in the north to more than 1000 meter in the south, forming a raised triangle within the south of Indian coastline. It lies between the Western Ghats on the western coast of peninsular India and Eastern Ghats on eastern coast. The apex of the triangular plateau is at Kanyakumari. It covers a total area of about 16 lakh square kilometer. Most of the peninsular rivers flow west to east, indicating its general slope. Among them, there are swift-flowing rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Narmada and Tapi are the only two rivers which flow from east to west. This plateau has the Malwa Plateau on the northwest of it, along with numerous hill ranges. The last one is the Plateau of Arabia. This covers the entire Arabian Peninsula. It rises steeply in the west, closer to the Red Sea, and slopes gently in the northeast. This region is very dry and arid. Its elevation ranges between 800 and 1200 meter. The Arabian Plateau is a dry plateau as it is the region of low rainfall and has no rivers. So children, that's all for today. In our next class, we will start with next physical division, that is the river basins. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.